Good morning to all my dear students. I Kanchan from Vidya Bhavan Senior Secondary School welcome you all in today's class. So, in today's class we have to learn about the formation of comparative and superlative degrees. As in our previous class we have already learned about the 3 degrees of comparison, that are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So, in today's class we have to learn that how we can change the positive degree words into comparative degree words and superlative degree words. So now let's start. By adding ER and EST to the positive degree. See, if we add ER and EST in positive degree word, we can easily change that positive degree word into comparative degree and superlative degree. Here is an example. See, young is written here. So now what we have to do? We just have to add ER into that word young and then EST for the superlative degree. So if we add ER into the young, we get younger for the comparative degree, and if we add EST, then we get youngest for the superlative degree. Now by adding R and ST to the positive degree when it ends in E, if we add R and ST to those words which are ending with alphabet E at the last, then we can simply change those words into comparative degree and superlative degree. For example, large is written here. So I just put R with this large and I would get larger, the comparative degree word. And if I put ST in the last of the large word, then I would get largest, that is superlative degree word. Now by replacing Y with IER and IEST, if we found any word which is ending with the alphabet Y in the last, what we will do? We just replace that Y with IER to get comparative degree word, and if we replace that Y with IEST, then we would get superlative degree word. For example, lovely is written here, so I just replace that Y with IER and I get lovelier in comparative degree. And if I replace Y with IEST, then I get loveliest for the superlative degree. Now, when the adjective is a one syllable word and ends in the consonant with a vowel before it, consonant is double and ER or EST added. See, if a word is ending with a consonant and a vowel is also placed before that consonant as well, so what we have to do? We just have to repeat that last consonant letter, and after repeating that last consonant letter, we have to add ER or EST in that particular word. Then we will get the comparative degree word and superlative degree word. For example, hot is there. So I have just written T and added ER. Then we will get hotter in comparative degree, and same we will repeat T for the superlative degree and add EST. Then what we get? We get hottest for the superlative degree. Now by putting more and most before the positive degree, we use more and most before the positive degree words. For example, handsome is written here. So now you all are thinking that you have to write handsome here or handsome. Yes, no. There is no word like this, okay? So what we have to do? We have to put more before handsome and most before handsome to form comparative degree and superlative degree. So if we have handsome in positive degree, we have to put more before handsome. Then more handsome is categorized under comparative degree. And if we put most before handsome, then most handsome will be categorized under superlative degree. Now, some adjectives change completely in the comparative and superlative degree. See, there are some adjectives which have totally different meanings in different degrees. For example, many is written Similarly, good. The word good for positive degree is written here. It will change to better for comparative degree, and for superlative degree we get best from the good. So these are the adjectives which have completely different degrees of comparison. So students, now it's time to say bye. Take care of yourself.